Thanks for asking about how climate change could cause fish populations to decrease, because this is a really important topic. So fishes need a certain temperature range in order to thrive, just like we do. It can't be too cold and it can't be too hot. And in particular, when fish are reproducing, when they're spawning or laying eggs, and then the fish eggs themselves are both extra sensitive to temperature change. So one way that climate change can affect fish populations is if water temperatures become much higher than normal, it could interfere with fish's ability to reproduce and to make more fish. One example is a species known as Arctic char. Now, this species, they lay their eggs in cold rivers and lakes. Scientists in Sweden have found that if the water temperatures increase by only about 2 degrees, their eggs are much less likely to hatch into baby fish. Even if it isn't too warm for the fishes themselves, climate change can harm fish populations by affecting the habitat that they rely on. For example, clownfish or anemone fish rely on anemones as their homes. Climate change can cause the anemones to bleach if it gets too warm, basically to get sick. The anemones can recover over time, but while they're bleached, the fish that live with them, they grow slower, they lay less eggs, and less of the eggs that they do lay survive to hatch into young fish. So in both of these examples, climate change results in less eggs hatching to become young fish. If there aren't enough young fish entering the population to replace older fish that are dying, then the size of the population will decrease. Thanks again for your excellent question.